Hi family, today we're taking a look at this dash cam. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so you're going to get plenty of cable length for power, all your accessories needed, mounting brackets, even your 12 volt to USB power plug. This is your rear view camera, or you could actually mount this as a camera facing the driver and passenger, or you can have it facing out your back window or side window if you want. And for that, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to plug that in here at the top. Make sure it's plugged in the whole way. They give you your TF card, which is great. USB charging power port right there. Settings on the side there as well. Once you have it plugged in, we can peel this off here and you can see your display. You got your settings on the side like we already said. You can do front video, front lock video, couple different settings. We take a look here. So you can see how the one camera shows me and the other camera is facing forward.